In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Auto BCC in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself needing to send a blind carbon copy of your emails automatically and realize that Gmail doesn't provide this feature natively, don't worry. There's an easy workaround. Fortunately, we can use browser extensions to make this task simple and efficient, all while saving you time and energy. To start, head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is your one-stop shop for finding and installing various extensions that can enhance and customize your browsing experience. Once you're there, you'll want to use the search bar to look up Auto BCC. You'll notice several options pop up, but the one you should focus on is the extension provided by CloudHQ. This particular extension is quite popular and comes highly recommended due to its reliability and ease of use. Once you locate the CloudHQ Auto BCC extension, go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to its specific page where you can find more detailed information about how it functions. Click on the Add to Chrome button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to install this extension. Simply confirm, and the extension will start to download and integrate with your browser. After the extension is added, you'll notice its icon appearing in your browser's toolbar, indicating that it's ready for use. It's worth mentioning that the developers have included helpful visuals and tutorials in the extension. These will guide you through setting up and optimizing your Auto BCC settings according to your specific needs. This feature ensures that if you ever get stuck or need a quick refresher, the instructional material is right there at your fingertips. Now, what makes this feature so valuable is its ability to streamline your email communications. With Auto BCC set up, you don't have to manually enter your own or another person's email address every single time you send a message. This can significantly enhance your productivity, particularly if your workflow relies heavily on email correspondence. In conclusion, setting up an Auto BCC in Gmail is as simple as installing this user-friendly extension. This little tweak can make a world of difference in maintaining organized and efficient email practices. So, take a moment today to set it up, and I promise, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching, keep exploring new tech solutions, and see you in the next video.